Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another online college family life vlog. If you're new here, my name is Brianna. I do a lot of lifestyle vlogs, college vlogs, productivity, so if any of that interests you, then make sure you definitely are subscribed because a lot of college content is coming and you guys have really been enjoying my latest vlogs and we've been growing so much recently. So yeah, I'm a junior and I'm a psychology major, just for those of you who are new, because I know recently, like I said, we've had a lot of new subscribers and I'm so happy about that. So let's get to 3,000 subscribers soon. We're literally almost there. But yeah, today is Monday, so happy Monday. Today is August 24th. I'm currently on my Zoom call, but we're having some issues. We're just waiting for the professor basically. So I'm muted, my video's off. I have some coffee here. This is my one class on Monday. This is my theories of personality. It's supposed to be from 10 to 11:15. But yeah, I just wanted to vlog today. I have a bunch of vlogs coming. Just getting out that content for you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Make sure you leave me below some comments so we can chat. We've been having a lot of great conversations in the comments recently and it's really helping my channel grow. Likes and comments, so definitely make sure you are leaving me some comments because I respond to everybody literally so fast. I get the notification and I literally drop everything and try to respond if I'm not busy, obviously, or working. So yeah, hope you guys have a great day whenever you're watching this, and now I'm just gonna wait and see if the professor joins our meeting. We already kind of had issues last week, so we'll see what happens.
That you notice I've been lost, staying up to the break of dawn, hoping that you'll show a little warmth, but you know I feel the coldest when I'm wrapped.
And now I'm about to get ready really quickly, which means I just need to put on some pants. I don't know what I'm gonna put on really quick, but I'm about to go to Ikea with my boyfriend because hopefully I'm gonna get the little Alex shorts today, so I'm very excited. Hopefully they have it. I have to leave now, so I will probably vlog on my phone. But yeah, class went well. She joined a little late because there were some technical difficulties, but all went well. We looked over the PowerPoint slides and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly get ready and then head out. Okay, really quickly, this is the outfit of the day. This black tank top is from H&M, and then these black ripped jeans are from PacSun, and I'm just gonna probably throw on my Adidas that I always wear. So yeah, quick little outfit of the day. So a little bit of a fail, kind of. The line was insanely long, which I had a feeling obviously it would be, but we're gonna go back later because they close at 7, so I'm gonna try to go and I'm gonna keep checking my app. I recommend, if you are going to Ikea, my friend Maria told me to get the app and check the item to see if they have it in stock before you go. So they still have it. I'm gonna keep checking to make sure so that I'm not going later for no reason. But I have a very exciting package to show you that was sent to me by the Lavish Life brand. I'm very excited to have received this and to be working with them and trying out their planner. Yes, I know I have another planner now, but you guys know that I love planners and I love making to-do lists and planning out my days, my weeks, my months. So when they reached out to me, I was very excited because I've actually seen this planner on another YouTuber's page last year before the semester started, and I really was like, wow, that planner looks really good. So I'm gonna be basically just kind of testing it out. I know I just filled in my whole other planner and I showed you guys that one, but the reason why I agreed to this is because, like I just said, I love planners, so I like to test out different things to see which one I ultimately like best, so that I can obviously continue to use what works for me, and also to share with you guys if you guys are interested in obviously getting yourself a planner, because I want to keep updating you guys on what works for me so that you guys can try it out and plan out your days better. So I'm gonna flip it over so I can show you guys. So the box just says cheers to your best school year yet. Also, I just love the packaging. It's so nice, and it just has their card which is amazing. I love supporting other YouTubers and brands, and it's actually, if this will focus, our CEO Ruby is a 22-year-old entrepreneur, motivational speaker, and YouTuber. She started this company back in 2018 to help college students plan their busy school years. So I really love this. Go follow her. I'll have her YouTube channel linked down below. I got this lavish day planner where it's just a notepad, and it just has your top 3, your schedule. You can create kind of like your own to-do list, which is cool. So it came with this. Also, this is the planner. I just love this planner so much. It's marble, which is obviously, who doesn't love marble? And then I just love the gold detailing. I'm actually going to open it up very quickly, obviously, so I can show you guys the inside. And look at this pen, you guys. This nice gold pen. So before I open it up, I'm going to tell you guys what the planners include. So they include semester layouts, project planning, daily reflections, monthly affirmations, habit trackers, grade trackers, accountability partners, master syllabus, and more space for the weekly and monthly spreads, and much more. So when you open it up, I just love how you can write important days, and it has like tabs here. It says semester 1, your daily affirmations, notes, your bucket list. There's semester checklist, which I found this would be very helpful. It gives you a guide of things you should be checking off before your semester starts. So I think this is amazing to keep you really, really on track. I feel like this is a great planner to keep you very, very extra organized. Tips for success, semester goals, project, grade tracker. It does give you the monthly overview. This planner is smaller though, so keep in mind that it is a smaller planner than my other one, but you still have a section for notes. You still have the monthly overview, and then you have some other, like your budget, which is great, some goals again, and then here is your weekly view. So you have Monday. I kind of like it because it's more space than the other one, like the one that I have, which breaks it down into 2, so it's like a smaller to-do list. But this one has just more room. Still has like your top 3 goals of the week. This is actually one of my favorite parts about it. It has a weekly schedule, so you can time block when your classes are for each day of the week. So I love this part. And another great thing, so it has semester 1, so obviously right now we're in the fall semester, and then it also has semester 2, so they break it down again so that you can write in your important dates. You can do your semester checklist again, your reflections of last semester, things you didn't accomplish, and then again your weekly schedule, so you can write in your classes, your course credits. Thank you, Lavish Life, for sending me this. I'm so excited to use it. And also, if I get my Ikea thing today, I'll have finally some organization to put like my planners in, my notepads, and I'll show you guys all that later if, fingers crossed, I'm able to get it. So right now, actually, I need to do some work, so let's look at my to-do list and see what's on the agenda today for my schoolwork, and I can actually write it in this planner.
When you said that you needed solace that I can offer you, I found a light in all this, something to get me through. Now every day is a challenge, top down, blowing smoke out. It's not good for my balance. It sounds great, but I'm right down.
This is how I would basically organize the section. So now I'm gonna get started, and I'm gonna finish reading chapter 1 for my victimology class, and then get started with this assignment that's due on Wednesday. Okay, I just finished reading the chapter for victimology, so I crossed it off already. I also filled in like this week's top 3, and so I just crossed off that I did that, and now I'm going to do my journal for my Working with Families class, which every Wednesday our journal is due for that class. So that's what I'm working on right now. Just like talking to my friend and stuff, because I don't want it to be confusing, since I did upload a video of how I, plan out my schedule and everything. Well, like basically for college stuff, but I basically made that video and I've been showing you guys me writing my to-do list in my planner, so nothing's really going to change. I don't want it to be confusing, like that I switched over to a new planner. I just really want to test it out and show you guys, because I do love how detailed it is. So I wanted to quickly say that because I didn't say that earlier. I don't want it to get confusing that I just switched over to a new planner, but it's like I'm really happy that I'm getting to try out this planner. So yeah, I didn't want to make it confusing as far as how I plan my school semester, so nothing like that is changing. That's already set in stone. I fill out my monthly overviews like you guys saw. I color code, just like I showed you guys how I color coded the classes again, and my weekly. So since I'm going to be using this, I'm going to show you guys obviously my to-do list every day and stuff still, so I don't want it to be kind of confusing. I just wanted to quickly say that. So yeah, let's work on chapter 2's journal. We just have to read the chapter, and then in our journal, it's not that long, it's like about 250 words. We have to write a brief summary about the key points of this chapter, my reaction to the material, and then a critique of the material. Basically just saying any questions I have or something I hope to learn more about. Literally anything that I have to say about if I was confused by something or surprised, that type of stuff. So let me quickly do this, and then I should probably be leaving soon to go back to Ikea. Okay, quick update. I crossed off doing my journal, so I'm all set with that. Also for Wednesday we need to look at the lecture slides, but I'm going to do that tomorrow. That's kind of like going to be my plan. Mondays do the journal, Tuesdays look at the lecture, Wednesday we have class, and then after class we're supposed to hand in our journals. So I checked that off my list. Also I crossed off Ikea because I checked on the app. We were supposed to go and then they were sold out. So it is what it is. I'm going to keep trying this week and checking the app. So hopefully in another vlog this week I'll finally have the Alex drawers, but it's totally fine. Actually, before dinner I'm going to start editing this vlog so that I can get it up for you guys tomorrow afternoon. And then after dinner, after I digest, I will do a quick at-home workout, and then what else? Yeah, just make sure I finish editing this, and then Love Island USA is on today. It's starting season 2, so I'm going to watch that, and then just have a relaxing night. I have to wake up early tomorrow because I have to go to the hospital for an appointment. If you haven't seen any of those videos, I'll pop it up on the screen so you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. It's just kind of like a checkup appointment again, so yeah, I'm not going to get into that all over again because I've spoken about this a bunch of times already. So I'm going to be going to the hospital tomorrow. I'm not excited at all, but you guys will see in tomorrow's vlog. A little while later, I'm about to work out. I ate dinner. I finished editing up until right before this point. I got changed. I put a sports bra on underneath my tank top, and I'm just wearing some shorts, nothing crazy. Today I'm just going to be doing a light at-home abs. I don't really feel like doing anything else, but just doing abs makes me feel still really good. Just getting my body moving, so that's what we're going to be doing tonight. Then I will shower. I'm not sure if I'm going to make some tea tonight because it's getting late and I don't like to have it too late. So we'll see about that, and then we're going to watch Love Island. So I actually ended up having tea tonight. This one is lemon ginger and it doesn't have caffeine in it, so it's good to have at night. Okay, and I need to update the rest of my list. So we did a workout. I edited most of the vlog. I'm gonna finish it. I just need to, after we're done watching Love Island, take out my outfit because I have to wake up at 7 a.m. tomorrow. So I want to like get my outfit out that I'm gonna wear to the hospital, make sure I have my masks all ready, all that stuff, because we need to be super safe, of course. Alright, so I'm just gonna wear some leggings and this random t-shirt, just a little comfy, quick outfit to throw on bright and early. And I need to be up at 7 a.m. It is now 11:40 and I'm going to head to bed because obviously I have to be up early tomorrow. I'm also vlogging again tomorrow, so I want to make sure I can insert like these last couple of clips and schedule my video to go up tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed this online college day in my life vlog. Very productive and busy, even though Ikea was a fail and I'm kind of upset about it. It's definitely okay. Like I said, hopefully another day this week. If you did enjoy this vlog, make sure you give it a big thumbs up for me and also leave me some comments down below. I know since it is Monday, I know a lot of you guys started today, so I hope you guys had a great first day. Let me know in the comments how your day went and what classes you're taking and all of that stuff so we can chat about it. And with that being said, I'll see you guys all in my next vlog.